Hi, this is Karen with WTI. What a peace of mind I have whenever I'm using this shopping cart cover for babies from ICOPUCA. First of all, because it's 100% cotton, the surface that the baby is touching, and also whenever I'm holding the cart, is I'm touching the cover, not the handles. The material is super soft and is reversible. I like the fact that it's anti-slip also, and it has this little pocket for the cell phone, and it has two extra pockets for baby food or just milk bottle. I find it so convenient to carry around this cover for shopping carts in the car since I know that it comes from our house. It goes into the washing machine whenever we're done, and it goes back into the car again. And my grandson loves it. Also, it's super easy to clean. I just put it in the washing machine and it was done. And that's my point of view.